Lean on your right hand side. But right leg on Vada. Ingota was lean change anyways. Nergala Tundo, Richundo. I would get them. Mansai. നിനക്ക് ആ പാത്ത് എടുക്കാം. So that's where you don't want to be. Yeah, of course the Himalayan has enough torque to pull through this, but that's exactly not what you want to do. You don't want to kill your ignition. I want to avoid this rock and tried to get an inside line, but I couldn't correct my line over there. I should have come a little wide and then taken an inside line or head in that direction and then taken a left, which was not the right thing to do because there's no path leading that way. And so I had to kill the ignition because of this fella. But then again, now it becomes a little tricky to be able to climb that way. Of course, this machine and this machine only will make it easy for anyone. Just about any amateur rider who's had sufficient practice handling the torque of this machine can go up comfortably. There you go. That's how the Himalayan works. കുറച്ചും കൂടെ പുറകോട്ട് വാടാ. அந்த எண்டு கேம் பண்ணு. அப்படியே நேரா ஒரே லைன். Is important. നിൽക്കടാ ഓഫേ മെല്ലെ പോട്ടെ. നീ അങ്ങനെ പുറകോട്ട് വാ. ആ ആംഗിൾ കൂടുതലാണ്. നീ ചെടി വരെ വാ പുറകോട്ട്. മെല്ലെ പുറകോട്ട് വാ. ഇവിടുന്ന് കയറ്റിക്കൊണ്ട് പോവാ അവിടെ. സ്ട്രെയിറ്റ് ലൈൻ. രണ്ട് കാലും കുത്താതിരിക്കടാ, ഒരു കാല് കുത്ത്. த்ராட்டில் தான்டா. அந்த மொமெண்டம்காக தான், அதனால தான் கீழே வர சொன்னேன். ஸோ yep, we have Rajat from 125 kph joining us in some time. He is a fantastic rider himself, has an X-Pulse and a BMW 1250. So yeah, we'll have him join us in a while, and then we'll have a nice chat. I'll get back to you guys in a while. There you go. Come on, buddy, come on. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going. One shot, sitting. One shot and sitting. Morning. Sugam. Valare Sugam. Sorry, I couldn't resist this. So I thought I might as well take it up.
Now the smell of burnt clay.
Again, that's Rajit from 125 kph. Guys, go check this channel out. It's some serious mad stuff on all sorts of motorcycles and all sorts of terrain. I've been talking about doing this after getting an adventure motorcycle for about 2 years now. For you to understand it clearly, you need to pay his channel a visit. So that's the Expulse 200. Rajit takes it to just about anywhere and everywhere. Got a bit of mods going on in here. RK chain and sprocket, RCB alloy rims, and Maxxis tires. I believe this is from the Rally kit. I think his suspension is also the Rally kit suspension. Yeah, that explains is it the Rally kit front? So that explains the ground clearance. And what else is going on here? Some aftermarket accessories, indicators and an aux light, a rental, an original rental. Wow. An original rental handlebar, the chin guard and rental grips. Yeah, that's what you do when you really don't want too much of the lever to be sticking out and cause you all sorts of problems when they snap. What else is going on in here? Yep, an iridium. No, this is the factory plug boot.
There's a race ignition coil.
Ignition coil. Wow, fantastic.
And, low resistance HT cable.
I have one too.
Okay, then I have some clutch mods running. So
Like, if you don't mind sharing.
what do you say?
Hey, love the nails, man.
I exactly don't know. I don't know how to say
Spring.
it. No. So the stock comes with a 4-spring clutch assembly.
Okay.
The basket and stuff. So
Okay.
I made it to a 6-spring.
Okay. 6-spring. Oh.
6-spring with a lighter spring. So your lever pull is still the same,
Okay.
but it applies even pressure
Get that.
on the
Clutch.
clutch pack.
Okay.
So I've increased the thickness of the clutch pack.
Okay.
That means less slipping,
Okay. Get that.
more snap engagement.
Oh.
No lift.
When you drop, when you
Drop the clutch,
clutch,
it
engages instantly. Get
but
that.
tends to stall a lot. If
Ah.
you're not experienced.
Get that. That's the thing with mods. They're always relative to where you are at with your skills. You can't just go about throwing in all sorts of stuff and not be able to use it, and kind of turns counterproductive most of the times. When you do a lot on your brand new bike and then you take it out for a spin, it usually underperforms compared to the stock bike. It's because you haven't gotten used to these mods. So an incremental approach. Go step by step on the mods. See what's working for you and what's not working for you. Ditch all the kind of shit that doesn't work for you. Go take it step by step. Well, that explains where Rajit usually takes this bike to. And the grips are chewed up and
We need to go further.
yeah, we could. That's about it, right? That's why you call it quits, or you continue? Some more, huh? Oh. So you can get your bike over here, go in the ditch. Yeah, get that. Is this your doing, by the way? Whoa, ho, that's a drop.
Then if you want, you can go around that drop.
Yeah, I definitely don't want that. Yeah. Wait. Okay, boss. The GoPro doesn't justify this, but this is quite a steep climb, especially when you descend. I mean, of course, doing it multiple times makes it easy. Yep, so that does it.